The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated the value of remote work for both employers and employees. Part-time telecommuting increases productivity and reduces costs, according to a global workplace analytics study. A PricewaterhouseCoopers study found that 55% of employees want to work at least 3 days from home after the pandemic is over, and 83% of employers believe remote work has been successful for their business. According to a report by Upwork, 36.2 million Americans will be working remotely by 2025, which is an 87% increase from pre-pandemic numbers. The pandemic has accelerated this trend and has shown us that working from home can be just as productive as working in an office. In this video, we will explore the highest paying remote jobs in 2023 and the skills you need to land these positions. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Highest paying jobs in 2023. Number 1. Network Architect. Salary $121,640 to $250,000. A network architect is responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining computer networks within an organization. They analyze business requirements, evaluate existing systems, and recommend solutions that meet the organization's needs. Network architects work closely with other IT professionals, such as network engineers, security analysts, and software developers, to ensure that the network is running efficiently and securely. They also stay up to date with emerging technologies and industry trends to ensure that the organization's network is up to date and performing optimally. To be a successful network architect, one must have a deep understanding of network technologies, protocols, and standards. They should be able to design and implement complex network architectures, troubleshoot network issues, and recommend improvements that enhance network performance and security. Additionally, they should possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills to work effectively with other IT professionals and stakeholders. A network architect must also be proactive and able to work under pressure, as network issues can arise at any time and downtime can be costly for organizations. Number 2. Information Security Manager. Salary $115,602 to $240,000. The role of an Information Security Manager, or ISM, is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of an organization's information assets. They are responsible for developing, implementing, and maintaining the information security program of the organization. The ISM works with stakeholders, including IT personnel, management, and end users, to identify and mitigate information security risks. They oversee the implementation of security controls, monitor security events, and conduct regular security assessments to ensure compliance with regulations, standards, and best practices. In addition to technical responsibilities, the ISM also plays a vital role in raising awareness about information security among employees. They develop and deliver training programs to educate their employees about information security policies and best practices. The ISM works with other departments to ensure that security requirements are integrated into business processes and that security controls are enforced. The ISM also ensures that security incidents are managed effectively, including investigation, containment, and remediation. Number 3. Sales Director. Salary $100,431 to $220,000. The Sales Director is a crucial member of any organization, responsible for overseeing the sales team and driving revenue growth. The role involves developing and executing sales strategies, setting sales targets, and managing the sales team to achieve those targets. The sales director must also keep abreast of market trends and customer needs to ensure that the organization's products and services remain competitive and relevant. To be successful as a sales director, one must possess excellent leadership and communication skills, as well as a deep understanding of the sales process. The sales director must be able to motivate and inspire their team to perform at their best and provide coaching and training to improve their skills. The sales director must also work closely with other departments, such as marketing and product development, to ensure that the organization's offerings meet the needs of the market and are effectively promoted to potential customers. Number 4. Data Scientist. $96,087 to $200,000. Data scientists are professionals who extract insights from data using various tools and techniques, including statistical analysis, machine learning, data visualization, and data mining. They work with large data sets to identify patterns, trends, and relationships that can help businesses make informed decisions. Data scientists use their skills to develop predictive models, create data-driven strategies, and communicate their findings to stakeholders. To become a data scientist, one needs a strong background in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. Data scientists must also be proficient in programming languages such as Python and R, as well as data analysis tools such as SQL and Excel. The role of a data scientist is highly sought after in industries ranging from finance to healthcare to retail, as the ability to extract insights from data has become essential for businesses to stay competitive. Number 5. Software developer. Salary $71,590 to $130,000. Software developers are professionals who use their knowledge of programming languages, software development tools, and various technologies to design, create, and maintain software applications. They're responsible for analyzing user requirements, developing technical specifications, and designing, coding, testing, and debugging software programs. Software developers work on a wide range of projects, including mobile applications, web applications, enterprise software, and operating systems. In addition to technical skills, software developers must also possess strong problem-solving, communication, and collaboration skills. They often work as part of a team, collaborating with project managers, designers, and other developers to bring software projects to completion. Software developers must also stay up to date with the latest technologies and industry trends, as technology is constantly evolving and new programming languages and tools are continually being introduced. Number 6. Remote content writing and SEO marketing. Salary $70,000 to $100,000. To build content strategies, study trending subjects, and produce excellent content, the content marketing manager collaborates with the content strategist. The manager of content marketing is capable of developing fresh and creative content concepts to meet certain marketing objectives. For their part, SEO managers are in charge of creating and executing effective search engine optimization or SEO strategies. Coordination is required between content, design, social media, pay-per-click or PPC marketing, and other operations, managing and reporting on remote and on-site optimization projects. Number 7. Cloud engineer. Salary $95,961 to $180,000. Cloud engineers examine opportunities for cloud migration when evaluating an organization's IT infrastructure. If the business chooses to go to the cloud engineer is in charge of overseeing the transition and keeping the new system operational. In addition to technical expertise, cloud engineering demands managerial ability. The cloud migration project's engineers are frequently entrusted with negotiating with suppliers, working with other IT team members, and interacting with senior management. Number 8. Actuary. Salary $91,348 to $180,000. Actuaries are professionals who apply mathematical and statistical methods to assess financial risks and uncertainties in various areas such as insurance, pensions, and investments. They use their expertise to evaluate the likelihood and potential impact of various events that could affect an organization's financial health and provide recommendations on how to manage and mitigate these risks. Actuaries work in a wide range of industries, including insurance, banking, healthcare, and government, and they play a critical role in helping organizations make informed decisions and manage their financial risks effectively. The work of an actuary involves a range of tasks, including collecting and analyzing data, developing mathematical models to estimate the probability and impact of various events, and communicating findings to stakeholders. Number 9. Human Resources Director. Salary $88,920 to $180,000. The Human Resources Director is a critical leadership role responsible for overseeing all aspects of an organization's human resource functions. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that the organization's human capital is effectively managed and developed to achieve the company's objectives. This involves planning, implementing, and evaluating human resource policies, programs, and procedures, such as recruitment, retraining, compensation, benefits, and employee relations. The HR director also provides strategic guidance to the executive team on matters related to human resources, including organizational design, workforce planning, and talent management. To be successful as an HR director, one must possess strong interpersonal skills, as one will be working closely with employees at all levels of the organization. They must be able to communicate effectively, build relationships, and establish trust with employees, managers, and executives. Number 10. Marketing Director. Salary $88,211 to $170,000. A marketing director is a senior executive responsible for overseeing all aspects of a company's marketing strategies, initiatives, and campaigns. They work closely with other departments within the company, such as sales, product development, and customer service, to develop and execute comprehensive marketing plans that align with the overall business objectives. The marketing director must be skilled in market research, data analysis, and identifying trends to develop effective marketing strategies that will appeal to the target audience and help the company achieve its goals. That's it for our video on remote work opportunities and the highest paying jobs in 2023. We hope you found this information useful and informative. As we've seen, remote work is becoming more popular, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and opportunities. Remember, remote work isn't for everyone, but it can provide a flexible and rewarding career for those who are interested. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.